Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to transfer money from Worldcoin to Binance. This allows you to trade, convert, or withdraw your WLD tokens directly from one of the largest exchanges. Let's get started. First, log into your Binance account. Open the Binance app or website, sign in, and go to your wallet section. Next, get your Worldcoin deposit address. Search for Worldcoin, WLD, select deposit, and copy the wallet address. Make sure you also note the correct network, usually Ethereum mainnet. Then, open your World app. Go to your wallet balance, tap send, and paste the Binance Worldcoin deposit address you just copied. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check the address and confirm that the network matches Binance requirements before continuing. Next, confirm the transaction. Approve the transfer in the World app and complete any verification steps required. Finally, check your Binance account. Within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic, your WLD tokens will appear in your Binance wallet. Quick tips. Always copy and paste wallet addresses to avoid mistakes. Start with a small test transfer if this is your first time. Keep your transaction ID saved in case you need support. That's how you securely transfer Worldcoin to Binance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.